My name is Yashna Pandey. I am Rinalini.
My name is Vanya Prakash and I am from XIM University.
I have come for the Sustainability Discovery program from my college, and I have come here for the winter internship. We as a team were so happy to be a part of the sustainability driven organization.
I've taken a project of ground level data collection system.
My project was related to strategy marketing.
This place has given me a lot of experience on how I can keep my lifestyle minimal, how I can live peacefully.
It was a very good experience where we had to get into the ground level, where we had to collect data from a lot of stakeholders.
The environment over here is very clean, and the peace which is here in this campus is something very rare to find.
Coming to Maharashtra for the first time, I was skeptical about what kind of food and how will we are staying here. But a way these people have welcomed me, and the tastiest food I could get in 15 days was something I never expected about.
So the survey which I did here, where I got to interact with the visitors, that will be very helpful for me in the future also, whenever I'll be doing any project and I'll have to do the survey part. Now I know how to initiate the communication part, how to end the communication, how to prepare the right set of questions, and it was also kind of a confidence boost because I got to interact with some people who are very random and new to me, but yet it was a very smooth process. Everything happened very smoothly for me here. So I will really keep this learning for me, and I hope that this thing will be implemented properly.
I can never find this time again. I'll go back in the corporate life or in any moment in my life to again have this kind of a setting, have this kind of peaceful environment. My mentor, my team, my project head, everyone was so good, and they all were so affectionate towards us to give us the insights whenever we needed and helped us at any point we needed them. Well, talking about my other learnings and experience in GEV, I would say that the culture, the roots, how to stay intact with that is something which we need to realize in this generation. And this place, the people here, the work culture followed here, at the same time the lifestyle followed here. Actually amazes me to think that yes, we can live a life with all our happiness, and everything can be done keeping in mind that how we can keep ourselves under the sustainability content, at the same time in the spiritual content as well. So this ecology is a mixture of both, and I would like everyone to come and once experience this lifestyle. Thank you.